Okay, this is take one of John's hand and getting into car. Take one.
Will you clap with me?
Okay, John getting in the car with hand, take two. John getting into car, take three.
Jimmy helps with direction. Well, that's funny.
Okay, so you have him like this, and you're smiling. Let's go get some ice cream. Ah, that's awkward. That's very heavy, but maybe I could take over from there. Sorry, I wasn't wrong. Walking down the street with Uncle Jimmy. Take one. Clap. I can't clap. Okay. And action.
Chocolate.
Nope, sorry. Let's wait for this car. There's a lot of cars. Let's cut it. Walking with Uncle Jimmy.
Do you want me to be mouthing what I'm saying?
No.
It's just walking.
Smiling at him, looking front where you're walking,
Look
looking
for-
back at him, smiling.
Okay. Rolling Jimmy number 3. Getting ice cream for
Uncle Jimmy, take two.
I'm rolling. Go ahead.
Uncle Jimmy, take two.
Alright. Okay, let me get in position.
No, let's
Oh, wait,
wait. I
hang
have
on.
that.
Okay, we're rolling.
Uncle Jimmy, take two.
Okay, let me get in position. Okay,
There are a lot of cars coming.
start walking.
Chocolate? I love chocolate. But I think I'm going to get strawberry.
Okay, let's cut it.